Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make village style egg curry. I have taken 7 eggs. You can see here. This I will put to boil and then make the curry. So come on, let us start the recipe. I have taken water here. I am putting all the eggs here to boil. I have taken 7 eggs. Now I'll put this to boil. I will put some salt that the eggs will boil up fast. So I'm putting some salt. And cover it up till the egg boils. By the time the egg boils, I will see to the other ingredients. The masalas which I am going to use for the village style egg curry, that is, I have taken garlic pods, jeera, this is golki, red dry chilies and 1 onion cut up. All this I am going to grind it. The eggs are boiled up. Now I will peel it and then fry the eggs. To fry the eggs I use mustard oil. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. I have slitted the eggs. You can see I have slitted them. The oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the eggs to fry. The eggs are fried up. Now I will take them out. Now in the same oil I will make the curry. Put some bay leaves. Put 3 dry chilies and some jeera. I chopped up 2 onions here, fine. This also I will put in. Let the onions turn a bit golden brown. The onions are turned almost golden brown. Now I will put the masala which I have ground and kept. Put some turmeric powder. Put some dhania powder. And let the masalas fry. Masalas are almost turned brown. Now in this recipe I will mix some potatoes because I like to eat potatoes. If you all want to skip the potatoes, so you all can skip it. But I like potatoes, so I am putting potatoes. Put the salt to taste. Put the tomatoes chopped up. and put the water. Put in the garam masala. Put in some meat masala. It will give it a nice flavor. You can put chicken masala also. I had meat masala, so I have put in the meat masala. Now I will cover this till the potatoes are cooked. Last of all, I will put the eggs in. The potatoes are almost cooked. You can see the potatoes are cooked up well. Now I will put in the eggs. Let it cook for 2 minutes. The egg curry is cooked up. Village style egg curry is ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching my video.